Wooden child's lift top desk and chair. Assemble with a Phillips head screwdriver, not included. Chair holds up to 150 pounds. Ages 3 to 8. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. Perfect size for my 5-year-old. Highly recommend. Looking for a small desk for my kindergartner to do homework, and this is it. Fairly easy to put together, and like all M&D items, they make great quality products. The latch is slow moving, so no issue reclosing abruptly on fingers. The inside is big enough for coloring books, crayons, and just about any school-related tools. It's also a very simple white desk, which can go with anything and be fully customizable if needed. My daughter loves it.